Hello guys, so good morning. So today I'm back and I'm going to replace my front right hand side window winder regulator. So what happened is that suddenly it broke, so I had to remove the mechanism so I can pull up the window. As you can see, I put suckers there to prevent the window from dropping down. I've removed almost everything, the bolts for the panel, inner panel, and like you can see on the inside, everything is out. Alright, so this is the window winder that I've bought. Yeah. So this is from AC Roca. Alright, it is Italian, I think. So it's one of the original brands. And as you can see, I have removed everything: the winding computers, the speaker, the motor, and the window controls, and of course my door cards is here. So these are all the tools that you need, basically just the hex, screwdrivers and everything. So now I'm going to put it back. What you do is just basically open this up, slot it in, and then you can put it back. So it's a little bit of bend here. Just going to put it back later. Right, so now I'm going to put it in. Sorry for the shaky video. I don't have my tripod with me, so it's kind of like an emergency repair. So I'm going to just slot it in to let you see where the windows wind in. So I'm going to do it with one hand, so I see if I can put it in with one hand. Right, I think I will just stop the video from here and show you later. Alright. Right, sorry. So I have to remove all the bolt holes, the bolt screws from here, and the bolting points. All the nuts got to come off. Then I'm just going to slide this in. As you can see, the whole thing should just drop in. Make sure all the rubbers are properly put in place. Just drop it in first. Then from there, you should take all the bolts. Take all the nuts that's here, you can see, and then you just align the mechanism. So that it goes properly into the mounting angles, mounting holes. You can see in the front. Okay. And the rear and the bottom, which is behind the speaker hole. So unfortunately you have to remove everything. So as you can see, the bolts and the nuts are here on top, and here and here. So this would actually just a moment, I'm gonna turn the video around. So basically you can see the mechanism just sits on the inner panel. This is behind the speaker, and one here. So from here, basically you just tighten up everything and arrange all the wires properly. Like this, you have to take it out so it's easier to remove. and it's going to be just assembly from here. So I'm going to continue the assembly here, and I'll show you when everything works. Alright, so today is a bit difficult. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm going to do this off air. Alright, see you guys in a while. Right, I've put back the winder motor. This is the more difficult part because on the inside there are spaces whereby you need to slot your hand in to put behind the motor so that it will space properly, so that the motor will mount flat. And as you can see, the winder mechanism is slightly longer than the door, so you have to remove the bolts a little bit. You can slide it behind, then after that you basically just put it back into the gap. Then you can just bolt the screw back again, which is from behind. Alright, so I shall get on with it, and you guys will see the completed project. Alright. Hi, so now I have plugged back all the system, the window winder, the controller, the computer box for the winders and everything for the company, for the computers, for everything. And the winder is working, so I'm going to test it so you can see. This is the from the inside, there is the winder that clips onto the, see that it's moving. You can go all the way down. Alright, so it's working now. So the next thing to do is to basically bolt the glass, clip the glass back. So this is our side windows, whereby you actually move it up until you can see the screw for the to loosen the side the grips on the glass. So down here you can see, then this is the other side. You can see there is the screw for the grip for the glass. So I'm going to continue to do this. Right, you can see it's working. And up, then I'll hold it here. Somewhere here where you can see the grip, so you can put a screw, your screwdriver, your this wrench in and tighten for the glass to go in. Alright, I shall do that now. See you guys. So as you guys can see, the glass is actually in the grip now. You can see. Yeah, so it's the one behind. Yeah, the glass is within the grips. So what I have to do is to basically bring it up slightly. You can see. Yeah, it's in the grips. So it's the front here, and what I have to do is basically just tighten this bolt, and it will grip onto the glass. Alright, usually I will just use my number 10, and then I'll just tighten until you feel tension. Not too tight, just enough. So you will want to check that the glass is fully seated. You can see on the inside, the glass should be fully seated into the rubber grips here, right at the inside here. So if it's not, then you try to readjust again. One way you can do this is to bring it up all the way. And then you will stop. It should grip, and then you slowly bring it down. It will stuck. Now you can see. You can see that the grip should sit. The glass should sit directly on the rest here. Right. So if it sits all right, that means your job is done. Okay. So this is how I do this, and the window is halfway down. Right. So I shall get on, tighten it further, and I shall show you again. Alright guys, so I've started my engine because it has been a few days since I started the car. Battery is a bit low, so as you can see, everything is seated nicely on the inside. and so it's behind. So I'm going to wind down the window so everything works. Right, go up. So this is like a job done. So now my windows work again. Yep. And now it's just to clean up the windows, put back all the door cuts, screw back everything, and it's the job done. So thank you guys for watching again. Right, I've not been feeling well. I've bruised my rib while I bruised my rib while trying to change my cabin filter for my Nissan Note. So my ribs are a bit painful, but I have to do this or else I cannot wind my windows. So sorry for the shaky video and not well framed, but I hope you guys enjoy what I did, and thank you for watching again. Yeah, I'm perspiring, so yeah. Okay, bye guys, thank you a lot, see you next time. Hi ho, so I have got back the door panel, so everything sits in properly. You can see on the side, and this is where you tighten the door to the tighten the door cut to the door itself. So basically it's just a hex screw. I just tighten it, not too tight. I think hand tight will be more than enough, right? Because all these are just plastic components, so hand tight will be more than sufficient. Okay, right, so next will be the this switches for all the windows. So this will just go in here, right? You just plug in, and then you basically just go right in. So I am going to do this with one hand. Let me see if I can do it. So this just goes in here. As you can see, one hand is always a little bit difficult, right? So this just slides in here. Oh, sorry, this would be the other way around, right? Just goes in. You open this up first. It's gonna be hard. So this one opens. Then I'm sorry guys, it's gonna be tough to do this with one hand. So basically you just yeah, got it there. So you just slot it in, right? And then it should just slide in like that and click. So this is in. So after that, just need to sit it nicely into the receptacle. It should just pop right in. There we go. And it's done. So there's one screw here, and then there's one screw here, and then there's the cover plate here, and the door is basically assembled. Right, so I think I've said goodbye before, but then thought I would show you this. So everything is in. Right, I'm going to just put in everything back. Check that the thing is working. Yep, so this is working. Right, and right, so it's done. Okay, thank you guys for watching again. I shall come back with more videos. I'm not been feeling well, but I will just try my best, and see you guys again. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.